Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making tater tot casserole. The first thing you do is you brown some hamburger meat, and this is previously browned. I did this the other day in advance. And then you pour it in a casserole dish. This is a 9x13. This is my favorite casserole dish ever. And I'm going to do most of it in there, but I'm going to save a little for a low-carb version for another video. So then you just evenly spread it around like so. Then you take potato puffs and you just dump them on there like so. And then you space them out nicely like this. Oh, my stove's clean. And after you have done that, you take this mixture. This is 1 cup of evaporated milk and 3 cups of cream of mushroom. And then you just pour it on top. Just all willy-nilly. Just all willy-nilly. Like that. Okay, and then I've already preset my oven to 375 degrees. And now I'm just going to place the casserole dish into the oven like so. And cook for 50 minutes. And that's it. Oh, timer.
You didn't
Thanks,
start
guys.
it. You didn't start it.
You should like, comment, and subscribe. And share some recipe that you like with tater tots.